Puso le ditlhopha tsa baagi di tlhotse di gopola bašwa ba 1976 ba ba tlhokafatseng fa ba ne ba kgaratlha kgatlhanong le puso ya tlhaolele. Bašwa ba ba neng ba gopola letsatsi le ba akanya gore go santse go le gontsi go go tshwanetseng go dirwa.
I feel that as a youth, we have the power to unite. It can be seen with what happened with Fees Must Fall. I urge all the young people to stand up and fight against the injustices of what this system and this government is doing to us so that we have a better tomorrow.
Most of my graduates are graduated, but there's no job for them. So that's the problem with youth at the moment.
Today is just a day to revive our souls and to remind ourselves that we can still do it as youth and sitha amandla, we're going forward.
Le fa puso ya mogela gore go na le dikgwetlho e tlhagisitse maano a ka thusang go tokafatsa matshelo a bašwa mono Gauteng.
We need to get as many young people educated as possible, and we need to get them into positions of influence. I believe that today is about taking stock. Even for our young people, what am I doing? Am I making noise, complaining, or am I making the right decisions for my life?
We are rolling out the Presidential Youth Employment Initiative, 42,000 young people, young professionals who are helping us in those programs, but there's 2.2 million young people who are not in employment, not in education, and not in training in Gauteng.
Jaaka karolo ya segopotso, motshameko wa setshwantsho sa Sarafina o tshwantsheditsweng teng fano le ona o tlotlomaleditswe dingwaga di le 30.